Today I'm going to show you a short video on how you can have fields move through the conversion process from a lead to a contact when you are converting an account. To do this, you must be an admin. We are going to start by going to the admin section. I am going to show you the purpose of creating a new field. So I'm going to create a hair color drop down on the leads module, and when I convert the lead to a contact, I would like that to move through the conversion process. So when a lead is converted, I would like the hair color field to transfer over to the contact. I'm going to scroll down to developer tools and go into Studio. First of all, I would need to build my field in the leads module. I would go to fields and add a field. It's very important to make sure you select your data type first. So for this example, I'm going to use a drop down field, and I'm going to call the field hair color. You're not able to have spaces in the database labels. That's why we use an underscore. And I don't have an existing drop down that I'd like to use, so I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to add a blank, as I would like the field to default to blank, and then I'm going to create my drop down list. Those are the drop downs that I'm going to use for this purpose. Going to hit save. I am then going to hit save. So now that we have created the field, I'm just going to go back into the field, and this is what the field name is called. I'm going to copy this and move over to contacts, as that is where the lead is going to be converted to. When I'm in the contacts field, I'm going to add a new field. I'm going to make sure I select the correct data type as a drop down, and then my field name I'm going to paste in here. It's very important that the field name is identical to the lead field's name. Once we are here, we can change the display label. That can be called anything. I'm just going to keep it the same. As I have just created the drop down list, I'm going to go into my drop down list options, and I'm going to find hair color, which I have just created. Here we go. Now I have done that, I'm going to hit save. I'm now going to go back to contacts and bring my field onto the contact layout, record view. I am just going to add a new row at the top here so we can see the new field nice and clearly on this demo. I'm going to drag it there, hit save and deploy, and then I'm just going to go to leads, go to layouts, record view, and then do the same here. And bring our hair color field across. I'm going to save and deploy, and then I am now going to go to my lead. I'm going to find a lead that is unconverted so I can go through the conversion process with you. So I believe this one shouldn't be yep, so this is not converted. I'm going to add my hair color and hit save. And here I'm now going to convert my lead. It's found the account, so I'm going to select that account, and I'm going to save and convert. You can see here on the contact the field did pull through. So I'm still on the lead at the moment. If I scroll down, I can then see my contact here, and you can see that the hair color field has been pulled through on the conversion process. Thanks for watching. Bye.